right, here's another problem from chapter 6. Let's take a look at it. And it says, I'm just going to try to squeeze this one in on the bottom of my pad here. Okay, it says, for children diagnosed in 2005, the estimated 10-year survival rate was decimal point 937 for children diagnosed with some disease A and 0.84 for children diagnosed with disease B. So heaven help us, I hope all of our children are always going to be healthy, but let's just try to stick with the problem. And what they want us to do now is they want us to first take the first decimal value, the 0.937, and they want us to make it a percent. All right, so let's look on the pad. Okay, so we have 0.937, and they want it to become a percent. Okay, now, you remember in some earlier videos, I told you that when we have a percent and we want to go to a decimal, remember what we said? When you have a percent and you're going to a decimal, you drop the percent, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Okay, so we're just going to do the opposite activity. Okay, we're going to add the percent. Okay, we're going to add the percent sign. Okay, yeah. And we're going to move the decimal point, but it's not going 2 places to the left. The decimal point is going 2 places to the right. And so 93.7%. Now, if you think about this in terms of what does this mean, this is to me, this is a more meaningful statistic than 0.937 was. The reason for that is I can envision that, oh, this says that, 93.7 out of 100. That's what that means. Out of 100 children who have this particular disease, well, you can't have a part of a child, right? So, but assume that you round it. So you'd say about 94 of those 100 children are going to be okay. All right. So this is what we want to put in Math Excel for this particular one, 93.7. 93.7. Got it right. And I don't think we need to go to the pad, do we? Yeah, we can do this one straight out. So we're going to add a percent sign, which they've done for us, and we're going to move our decimal point 2 places to the right, and we're just going to get 84%. All right, now you look at that. What does that say? Well, it says that on that particular disease, the survival rate is not as high. In other words, on that one, 84 out of 100. And in the first one, it would be, say, 93.7. If you rounded, you'd get 94 per 100. But I'm pretty sure that's how they want this answer here. So let's check it and see. Next question. We got another job done there with excellent, it said. And let me stop